Hello and welcome back. So for today's Halloween look, we're doing a dark angel. Starting off with a creamy black pencil, we're going to be smoking out that eye, basically going for a dramatic wing. So once I've laid down that cream, we're going to top off with a powder, and then I wanted a crisp line, so we're sharpening that up. Once I got the eyes completed, we're going in with a thin layer of foundation, and now it's time for the crystals. These crystals I purchased at Walmart, and I thought they would be perfect for this look. And then I just wanted to spice it up a bit, so I'm taking these that I purchased off of Amazon, and we're tucking for those right on the side there. I wanted that top part of the eyes to be really dramatic. Now we're just taking a cool tone and doing an extreme contour. Going back with those crystals from Amazon, I'm just doing kind of a forehead piece there, and I thought these just kind of lined up perfectly, and I'm filling the gaps in there with some black glitter. Now taking a liquid liner, I'm just creating these feathered strokes. I just needed a little bit more drama on the side there. So for the lips, I'm using the same black cream eyeshadow we did for the eyes, and I'm just kind of shading that in with the brush. So now moving on to the hair, I'm taking this quarter piece here, and we're going to go ahead and spray that with the spray that I got from the Halloween store. It's like a silver gray. Didn't have as much color as I would like it to, but you know, I guess I'm going to have to just deal with that. And I'm teasing for a little bit more grip, and we're kind of creating like hair horns here. So once I got that twisted, we're going to pin and use the rest of the spray. I kind of used it until I ran out the bottle, so that's kind of all I had left there. So I wanted to add a little bit extra there, so I'm just taking that same black glitter and just pouring it on the hairline. And then we're also going to take that same glitter and put it on our lips. I always have to do a chest piece for any of my Halloween looks, so I'm taking those crystals and sticking that on with spirit gum. Once we have that, we are putting on our wings, and that's it. That is our completed look.